Hey guys, it's Ankita. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to create a spring makeup tutorial using the Urban Decay 3 Naked palette. This is one of my favorite palettes because of all the pinks and purple tones that it has. I use mainly pink purple shades to create the look, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you want to learn how to achieve the look, then just keep watching. So for this look, I'm going to start out with my primer by Smashbox. Next, I'm going in with this color corrector by ELF for my dark eye circles. Going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the color 332 called Golden Caramel. Next, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Next, I'm going to get into my eyeshadow. Here I'm just priming my eyes with the same primer I used on my face. So for this look, I'm using my Naked 3 Urban Decay palette. I'm going to start off with the color Lunar and put that all over my lid. So I'm concentrating this on the outer corner of my eye and bringing it in. I'm also starting to just work it up in my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with Liar. It's the color right next. Tap off any extra and concentrate that right on the outside and a little bit into the crease. Then I'm going to take the color Buzz, which is this really pretty pink shade, and I'm going to get that on the smaller side of my brush. I'm going to see if I can do it with my brush. If not, I'm going to use my finger. Yeah, it's coming out good. And place that on my lid. So I'm really packing that on. Do the same thing on the other side. So I'm taking the gold color right next to the sparkly pink. Taking it and putting it in like the outer third. It helps break up the pink that's going on. So I'm going to go in back with that transition shade Lunar and just build that up in my crease again just to blend everything out. So next, go in with a little dome-shaped brush and I'm grabbing the lightest color, Strange, first. I'm gonna add that to the inner corners and right at my brow bone. And I'm going to go in with Dust and concentrate that in my inner corners. Go back in with this dome shape. Take the color Lunar and drag it in your lash line. For top eyeliner, I'm not going to use an actual eyeliner pen, I'm going to use a shadow because I kind of like the softness of this look. So I'm going to take the color Dark Side, take an angled brush, and place it in Dark Side. I'm going to start at the end and start dragging it outwards. So the reason you want to take an angled brush is because, especially at the end, you can just kind of stamp it on like this and drag it out. So you can make a precise line. So you can make a slight wing. And drag it and just place it on your lash line and drag it down. So I actually want the eyeliner to be a tiny bit darker. So I'm going to go in with the darkest color called Black Heart and just trace the outsides with it. I'm just going in with the color Buzz that we used for our lid and just cleaning it up. First thing I'm going to do is line my lips. I'm using Kylie Jenner lip liner in the color Spice. And I always bring the lip color and fill my lips a little bit more with it so that it's easier to blend when I add the color. So this is by Elizabeth Arden. It's the color Metallique 39. So I'm taking a lip brush, something that looks like this, and I'm gonna put that in. I'm going to go back in with the lip pencil and just clean up the edges. Forgot my mascara. Always forget that. So I'm using Lancôme. So last but not least, I'm going to add my concealer. I always do concealer at the end because so that there's any fallout, I'll gently dab it with a paper towel and then put concealer over it. So I'm going to go into my Parkave Princess contour palette. So I'm going to take a big brush like this. Go into the two lighter colors. And now I'm just going to take Angle for a light contour. So now for blush, I'm using Smashbox Red Carpet Radiant Palette. I'm going to use this pink one here. just start at my cheeks and work my way a little back. And then whatever I have extra, just rub it where it would highlight. And then on to everyone's favorite part, I'm going to highlight. So I'm taking a fan brush, and then I'm going to use the highlight shade here. I'm just going to take my color Angle again and just contour my nose. This is what it looks like. So that's it for my look today. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was my spring look for this year. I like incorporating light pink colors. It's my favorite color to incorporate in makeup. So my eyeshadow is more on like the sultry light purple side, so I want to contrast that with a dark purple lip. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And once again, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!